This is Jordan. This is my new to me Mazda Miata hardtop. And Jordan has never driven stick. So today, I'm going to teach her how to drive stick and tell her that the wiggle is important.
The wiggle!
You got to do the wiggle. Okay. So I'm going to show you guys how I teach people how to drive stick. It's in 3 parts pretty much. And the first is getting used to the throttle, and then the clutch, and then the actual shifter. So Jordan, I'm going to have you push the gas until the throttle or the RPMs go to 2,000 right there. And then hold it at 2,000. And then try and get it right on the line. And then let go. And then go to 2,000 a couple more times. This is just so you get used to the gas pedal in here. Because Miatas are pretty sensitive. Some cars aren't, but I just want you to feel it. And then hold it at 2 and go to 3.5. And go back to 3.
Oh.
Come back to
Sorry.
3. You're good. 3.5. Then 3. Then 2. And let go. Alright, you're good. You got your foot. Pretty used to it. Alright, the e-brake's on. We're not going to go anywhere. The car might stop, but that's fine. Okay. I'm going to have you push the clutch in. So the pedal on your left that I showed you. Mm-hmm. And then you're going to put this in first. So left and up. And then super slowly let your foot up until the car starts to shake. That's where it like grabs the gear. And then you're going to push back in. Okay. Back in? Nice. Okay, so you felt it. Like you can probably see it vibrate. Okay, so lift your left leg again. And back in. Okay, that's where you'd give it a little bit of gas. Okay. Like that's where you'd flip-flop. Okay. All right, do it one more time. And back in. Okay, cool. So now you're going to put it in neutral. Okay, yeah, you can wiggle it. All right, so now I'm just going to show you first, second, and third. So to go to first, you did it. So left and up. Then straight down is second. And then up and a little bit to the right is third. You're going to go up and that way. Okay. That's third.
Oh, there we go.
Okay, yeah. There you go.
Wow, okay.
Perfect. All right, short. So we got that. Seatbelt's on. And so now you know first, second, third. You know how sensitive it is. Yes. And then you know where it's going to grab. So let's put it into first. I'm going to take the e-brake off. And then you're going to slowly give it no gas at all. So pull your right foot back. Okay. Just super slowly let off the clutch. Super slow, super slow. Nice. And we're rolling. Okay, and then give it a little bit of gas. Just like normal. Take your foot off the clutch. Okay, and then just do a circle around here. Okay, give it a little bit more gas. Okay. And then you can slow down a little bit with your right foot on the brake, just like a normal car. Okay. Here we go, ready? Slow flip-flop. Okay, okay. Okay.
Very smooth. But
not dead. All right, we'll see how it goes into second gear.
Oh god, okay.
The goal is to get Jordan into third.
It's chugging on a little bit. Okay, wait, so.
All right, you're first. Flip flop. Okay, pretty smooth shift in a second. Not bad. We got a big truck coming, so you want to go right?
Yes.
Okay.
I can go right. Going the wrong freaking way. Okay.
All right, we're gonna throw it in neutral and just coast. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
So many things. Right?
And then go to second. Flip flop. Nice and smooth.
Whoa.
Oh, okay.
You felt that? No, you didn't.
I didn't feel it. I didn't feel it. It was that good.
Okay.
Okay, so now you're gonna speed up, and then on the next loop back, we're gonna see if you can get into third.
Okay.
And if the car feels like real weak, it's because we're not going fast enough, which is fine. In which case, you'll just throw it into neutral. So get a little bit of speed.
Okay.
All right, and then you can shift to third. So shift, straight up to third, gas. Ooh! So nice.
How do I need a clutch to brake?
Not to slow down, like if you're just slowing. No, you're good.
Okay.
Okay, and now we're gonna downshift, so we're gonna go to second. Okay. So you're gonna clutch and flip-flop into second.
Okay,